Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone buzzing or popping sound. Here are some simple fixes you can try. First, you can restart your iPhone. Then here, after restarting, you can now check for dirt or dust in speakers. Gently clean the speaker grills using a soft brush or dry toothbrush. And here you can now update the iOS. Go to the settings and click the general and click software update and install the latest version because sometimes bugs cause audio glitches. And then here you can also turn off the Bluetooth. Go to the settings and click the Bluetooth and switch it off to avoid interference from connected devices. And also you can check the sound settings. Go to sound and click sounds and haptics and adjust the volume or disable the sound check. To disable the noise cancellation, you can go to the settings and click the accessibility and click here audio or visuals and tap the phone noise cancellation and turn it off. And if the headphones work fine, the issue may be with the iPhone speaker itself. And if the problem continues, the speaker hardware might be damaged or loose. In that case, you need to visit the Apple Store or authorized service center for repair. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.